Hello everyone, welcome to Fantasy Gallery. Due to this pandemic, there have been drastic changes in all the fields and also in our day-to-day lives. In current scenario, scores are migrating from conventional classroom training to online training. But how effective is current online technology? Are we content with it? Teachers are working hard, preparing effective content, but still they are not able to deliver to the students in an effective way. Why? Since there is no physical appearance of the teacher, it is difficult to grab the attention of the students and keep them focused throughout the session. With quite a lot of research, we are here to give the solution to the problems that teachers and students are facing in the online training. Now, you may have few questions at the back of your mind. Can I have this light board setup at home? Yes, of course. This light board size and setup varies from 2x2 to 8x6. Not only that, we also help you set up professional recording studio along with necessary accessories, lighting arrangements, camera settings and acoustics. After watching this video, I hope you have found the solution to your problems, and this light board technology is useful for all the trainers in all the fields.